Hello YouTube, and welcome to this video. Today we're going to do a video for the bengoo KM-1 gaming mouse. It is wireless, connects by a 2.4 whatever you call that thing, USB type dongle thing. So yeah, we're going to check it out and see if we like it, and appreciate you guys watching. All right, let's see what we got here. Open her up. We have the mouse. We have the instruction booklet. And the very, very small charging cable and the box. And that. Nothing too special about this. So my first impressions is this thing is very, very light to be a wireless mouse, because usually there's some sort of battery in there. You know, and I was looking at it and I was confused. I'm like, where is the dongle at? Because it wasn't in the box. Well, it's actually right here. If I can get it out of here, I'll be doing something. I don't have any nails or claws or whatever, but I can see it. There it is. Look at that. That's very clever. It's actually in the mouse itself. That's what it looks like without it. In that little spot right there. I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, I'm not a big fan of wireless mice, but I'm not going to try to, you know, make that too much of the consideration here. I mostly want to see, you know, how well it works, and how it looks, and it already feels great because it feels light. It feels like that, you know, lightweight mouse. Couldn't really, maybe 80 grams. I'm not sure, but it definitely feels light compared to most of your wireless gaming mice. So that's cool. Everything feels really nice. The clickers and everything, the buttons seems to be well built. I like the little honeycomb design as you've seen in the past, and I can't wait to see. Let's see what we got here. We got an on-off switch. We have a light button. The feet feel pretty nice. I had to remove the little plastic film, so if anybody gets it and wonders why the feet or skates or whatever you want to call it don't feel particularly great, that's probably why. Just take them off. There's your little DPI button. So yeah, everything looks good. Feels pretty decent. I mean, it is plastic, obviously. It's a mouse. Who would want a metal mouse? Maybe someone does. Not this guy. Let's see, what else can I say about it. Let's turn it on, see what it does. That's on. So you already see it's pretty. It's got just my kind of rainbow puke or unicorn puke or whatever you want to call it. Something I'm a sucker for. In the little wheel, there's a little bit of light. There's a scary bengoo guy in the back. Not sure. Looks like his hair's on fire. We'll get a better look at that. So yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. I'd imagine if you run the lights, it kills the battery faster, but we're going to find out about that. See how long the battery lasts and all that. Well, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, so some things you might want to know about this gaming mouse is that it costed me $14 on Amazon. which wasn't that bad of a price, you know. I can't find any information about the sensor. I don't know what's going on with that. It does have a great battery life according to the comments. Couldn't find any software. I looked all over, but all they have is like 2 items that they have software for. It only has a 125 hertz polling rate, which I'm used to like 1,000. Most of them have 1,000. It's, you know, it's kind of respectable. It has 3 DPI options, which are 800, 1600, and 3200. I have no problem with that because, you know, like I said before, I pretty much run at 1600, so 800, 1600, 3200, that's fine. It doesn't have to go to 16,000 like some of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do some... We're going to test the sensor, man, because like I said, I don't know what the sensor is or anything like that, so we're going to go ahead and test it. See if it's as bad as some of the comments saying. If not, then I mean, you know, for $14, it's you know, not a gaming mouse. Find out. Let's check this out and see. Alright, now for the final verdict here. Is it trash? No, it's definitely not trash. I'm not sure. Maybe somebody got a bad one. Happens. I think it's a fine gaming mouse. I'm not a fan, like I said, of the 2.4, you know, or any kind of wireless really, because it's not really my thing. I'd rather have absolutely no latency as much as possible. I would do that would be obviously to go with the wired option. So yeah, for value it's a 5 stars. For build I give it a 4. Just because, like I said, it's wireless. I'm not a fan. Overall it's a 4.5. If you're into, or maybe if you have a laptop, something like that, pick one of these up. Like I said, I paid $14 for it. It's definitely worth that. I appreciate everybody watching the video, and we'll catch you on the next one.